Hello everyone, in this video we are going to talk about how to get Galaxy Smash in Solar Smash. Right, so to get this, first of all, to unlock this, you have to access System Smash. So start by entering the System Smash mode. Begin with the normal solar system and use a black hole to destroy the sun. So as you can see here, first of all, you have to use a black hole, destroy the sun, and then you have to reset the system after destroying it. Repeat this process for all available solar system, including the TRAPPIST system and any other you can access. Ensure you destroy the sun in each and every system because that is really important. Now after that, you have to return to Planet Smash. After destroying all the zones in the previous system, go back to the Planet Smash mode. In Planet Smash, destroy the main sun again using a black hole for efficiency. Once you have completed this step, the Galaxy Smash game mode should unlock, allowing for various customizations such as changing the size and color of the galaxy and adjusting the number of stars. Please note that this update is still in beta, so it may not be available to all the players yet, but it's expected to release to the public very soon. So this is how you can do this. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.